In the past 30 days, I've made over $7,000 in commissions from the method that I'm about to share with you in this video. I'll show you how you can make money from Google using AI. I'm going to show you how to find keywords with basically no competition at all. And I'm going to show you how you can create content with just one click so that you can very quickly start getting free traffic from Google. The first step is to find a product to promote. For that, we're going to use ClickBank. But if you don't use ClickBank, you can use this method with any other affiliate network. On ClickBank, go to ClickBank Marketplace and scroll down through the offers, and anything that has got a gravity score of over 20 is a good product for you to promote using this method. The one caveat though is that I do not recommend to promote any health or diet related products with this method, but all other products such as Ted's Woodworking would work really well with this. So let's have a closer look at Ted's Woodworking products. We can see gravity score 140, so that's good. And on average, you can make $55.47 for every sale that you refer with this method, which is great. Next, I recommend that you go onto the affiliate page and you contact the creator. So there is a button here, contact affiliate support, and you ask for a copy of the product so that you can review it and you know what you're promoting. You can also take a look, if you just click here, at the sales page of the product to get an idea of what is inside. And you can see that there are 16,000 woodworking plans, and here are all the different categories that are listed here of the different woodworking plans. This is very helpful information for us. We're going to use it in just a second. Step 2, getting traffic. As you know, pretty much everyone in the world uses Google these days, and if they want to do something, they'll search for it on Google. So one of the things that are included in Ted's Woodworking is horse barns. So if someone wants to build a horse barn, they will type in how to build a horse barn. You can see it's one of the suggestions of Google. So this is a common search term, and they'll find websites that describe how to build a horse barn, have got all the instructions, and basically they will click through and they'll read the information. As they're reading some of these results, they'll be very likely to be interested in the actual plans, and this is actually a perfect opportunity for us to include a link to Ted's Woodworking projects and refer some sales, because people will be clicking through onto the sales page and a lot of them will actually be buying those woodworking plans. For the next step, we're going to be using a program called SEMrush. You can get a 14-day free trial if you use the link in the description below. And once you're inside SEMrush, go to Keyword Magic tool, and then at the top we're going to enter how to build a barn as our seed keyword, and we're going to click search and we're going to review the results. Here are all the different keywords. There is 1,433 keywords of exactly what people search on Google that has got to do with how to build a barn. Now we're going to filter this down. I want keyword difficulty of very easy and easy. So I'm going to enter from 0 to 29 because I just want keywords that have got very, very little competition. And I'm going to click apply. So now we've got just 40 keywords. And guess what? One of these keywords is how to build a horse barn, and the keyword competition here is just 13. It's very, very easy to rank for it. So it means that if we publish any kind of content or article about how to build a horse barn, then we'll have an excellent chance of ranking on page 1 of Google. So we've got a real chance here, guys, to be up here in one of the top probably 3 or 5 results, because there is basically no competition. And you can confirm it visually because this keyword, how to build a horse barn, is not included in the title of any of these pages. So this one says how to build a DIY horse barn. Okay, kind of relevant. This one, tips for building horse stalls, not relevant. Next, build a barn that works, not relevant. Okay, it doesn't talk about how to build a horse barn. Horse barn designs and plans, not relevant. It doesn't talk about how to build a horse barn, doesn't have those exact words. And Google likes to serve results that exactly match the keywords that the people are searching for. Okay, so there is pretty much no one so far who has published many articles about how to build a horse barn. And if you're going to be one of the people who publish an article, you'll have an excellent chance of having your article ranking here on page 1 and getting traffic and making sales. Now, this is just one example. You can see there's all the different types of articles that you can create. How to build a bed, how to build shelves, how to build an outdoor shed. You can search all of them in SEMrush and many of them will have very low keyword difficulties. So just work through the process. You're never going to run out of ideas. Step 3 is to actually build a website and create your content. And for that, I recommend that you use Hostinger. Hostinger is an excellent hosting company that I personally use. They offer very competitive pricing. So if you click on here, claim deal, you'll be able to choose one of these plans. You can see that they start from just $3, $4, and $8, depending on exactly what specifications you need from your hosting. To begin with, the premium deal, which is $2.99, is totally fine because you can always upgrade your service at a later point in time. So we can click here, choose plan, and here you should choose what length of time you'd like to get your service for. The best value is going to be 48 months, and you're going to also get 2 months free included in that, but you can choose whatever length of time works for you. Now, don't forget that you can also use my coupon code CaffeinatedBlogger to get an extra 10% off. So it's going to be even cheaper than what you see here. So if, for example, you choose 12 months, then you scroll down here after you fill out all of your information where it says have a coupon code, enter my coupon code CaffeinatedBlogger, click apply, and you will see that now you've got an extra discount. So to grab this deal, make sure to use the link in the description below. Once you log into your dashboard, you will see that you've got a pending setup, and you should also see claim your free domain now if you bought one of the plans that allows for a free domain. So click claim domain, and it's best if you can get a .com domain and make it memorable. You don't have to make it about a particular niche though. You may end up posting content about a few different topics, so just keep it generic. Okay, so we're gonna grab this monstercroc.com, so let's claim the domain. Now you can come back to the dashboard and choose the setup option to set up your website. Let's go, I'll create a website, click next. Importantly, I recommend that you use WordPress because here you will be able to use Hostinger's AI content creator, and that's a lifesaver because you will be able to very quickly create targeted and awesome content. Select your password, click next. Here we're going to want to create a blog, so let's click that and click next. You can choose one of the pre-built templates, so just find the one that you really like. I'm going to go with this one, but feel free to use the one that you prefer. For recommended plugins, these are basically extensions that add extra functionality to your website. I recommend that you choose these two, and let's now click next. Here, let's choose the domain that we've just selected in a previous step. For the target blog audience, I choose United States, Massachusetts. That's going to locate the data center where your website is located in the United States, making the experience the fastest for the people in the United States. But this is not a critical choice because your website is going to work no matter what. So let's click next. Our website is ready. You can click this button to see what we've got so far, and this is looking great. Okay, this is the website template. It's looking amazing and very new and modern. To add content, under Edit Website, click on Admin Panel over here. You'll be logged in, and then here under the hosting categories, you'll see something that says AI Content Creator. This is where we're going to go to create our content. And once again, the kind of content that we want to create is the stuff that will rank for how to build a horse bun. So you can get an idea about this type of content by going to some of these search results. For example, here, okay, there is an article, 12 tips for building horse stalls and other horse bun ideas. You can see there is some useful information over here. And at the bottom, there is a link that says, start designing your building for free. So they're promoting, as an affiliate, they're promoting a service, this 3D design tool, and basically they get paid a commission every time someone clicks on this link and ends up buying this tool. So we're going to be doing the same with the ClickBank product with Ted's Woodworking. We're going to be inserting links throughout the content so that people read this useful content, they see our link, they end up clicking through and landing on the sales page for Ted's Woodworking via our link. As they review this information, many of them will end up buying this product, and we will get paid a percentage commission for making the sale. Now, the way that this AI content creator works is really cool because it can create content very, very quickly for you. For content type, of course, we want posts. For tone of voice, you can choose from neutral, formal, friendly, and so on. I actually like friendly, but you can choose even more than one. So let's go with friendly for this one. Content length will want to be long. Okay, you can see here it says usually used to make high ranked articles that will generate more leads. This is what we want. So let's go with long. Under content main idea, you need to insert a prompt for the AI to write the article. This is the prompt that I have entered, so you can have a look at it. And in terms of the focus keyword of this content, I'm also going to add how to build a horse barn, because don't forget, we're trying to rank for this keyword, how to build a horse barn. that has got a decent search volume. This is the keyword that people are actually actively searching for on Google, and it has a very low keyword difficulty score, so we want to rank in Google for this. Let's now click create content. Our article is ready, and you can see the draft of this article over here. So we've ended up with 2,815 words, which is great. You need an article generally over 2,000 words in order to rank in Google search these days. We can now click publish, and we'll make some final edits already in the WordPress editing interface. This is how the draft is going to look. So at the top, you can just click edit post, go through the article and make any edits that you see necessary. I recommend to insert a few images. It's very easy to do. Just go click plus, select the image block, and then just drag and drop that over here. So for example, under foundation and flooring, you can find an image on Pexels. For example, this one over here will work. Okay, so we've just inserted that here, and it gives a much better vibe to the article. Next, you should insert several buttons throughout the post. The first one can go after the first section. So let's say over here, just before choosing the right location. So again, we can click the plus sign and then choose button, and then drag and drop that over here. So we can write something like get the horse barn plan plus 16,000 other woodworking plans here. On the right hand side, you can choose the visual properties of the button. If you wanted it to have a green background, you can do that here. For typography, you wanted it to be medium or large, you can do that. Now come back to ClickBank and grab your actual affiliate link. So we've got this affiliate link over here. Let's copy it, and you'll want to insert it as the clickable link for this button. So just go to the button, click the link, and Control V and paste it over here. Click save. Now, if we preview our post, you will see this is all the information, and it's got the clickable button which says get the horse barn plan plus 16,000 other woodworking plans here. So if someone is reading this, they'll see this button, they'll click this button, and via our link, they'll get taken to the woodworking plans. They'll see the sales page for the Ted's woodworking offer, and whenever they buy it, you will get paid that commission. So in about 5 to 10 days, generally this post will automatically get picked up by Google search, and Google will start including you in the search results. To grow your traffic and to grow your business, you can now do similar articles for all of these different other types of projects for the Ted's woodworking product. Okay, so you can create articles about how to build a fireplace, how to build a frame, how to build kids furniture, all of these. You can create dozens of articles about this and generate a lot of traffic and a lot of sales for this product. Make sure that all the articles that you publish target keywords that have keyword difficulty between 0 and 29. You will have an excellent chance of ranking in Google because there is basically no competition for these keywords. And even if you have a brand new website with no authority, you'll still be able to rank because these keywords just don't have any competing articles. After you feel you've exhausted all the possible topics for Ted's woodworking, then just go through other products on ClickBank and continue publishing more articles about other products using the method that I've shared with you today in this video. And if you want to learn how to tidy up your website and just set it up looking very nicely, then make sure to watch this video next. In this video, I've got a full step-by-step tutorial that will show you how to make an amazingly looking WordPress website. Thank you so much for watching, guys. My name is Greg Kononenko, the Caffeinated Blogger. If you enjoyed this video, then I'd really appreciate it if you can hit the like button just underneath, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.